Grilling with the Smart Oven Air Fryer has many uses. The grilling function delivers top-down heat at high temperatures and is designed to brown, melt, and crisp the top side of your food evenly, which can be a challenge in more traditional ovens or grills. It's excellent for cooking various cuts of meat, poultry, fish, sausages, and vegetables, as well as open sandwiches. Today, we're making a delicious open steak sandwich. So let's look at how to set up your Smart Oven Air Fryer to do it. First, insert the wire rack to the middle position. Use the top position for thinner meat and the middle position for thicker cuts. Drop the grilling rack into the pan and place your steak in the center so that the Element IQ system can move heat around the steak evenly for optimal results. Use the function dial to select the grilling function. Use the temperature dial to adjust from temperature settings of low, medium, or high. Adjust the cooking time with the time dial. Press the Start Cancel button to activate. You'll see the orange LCD display and the timer commence the grilling countdown. The Smart Oven Air Fryer really takes the thinking out of cooking with the grilling function. Now, it's your turn to taste test this delicious open steak sandwich. Time to get grilling, my friend.